Hello.
Hi.
Come here a minute.
Okay.
Is your mom and dad home?
They're not home right now.
Well, I was walking through your neighborhood a while ago. I was walking my dog, and he got away from me.
He did?
And it's going to get cold tonight, and I really need to find him. Could you come help me find my dog?
Well, I'm not really supposed to go anywhere with strangers.
But I'm not really a stranger. I walk around your neighborhood all the time. I see you out playing, so I'm really not a stranger. I'm sure your parents won't mind.
Well, then I guess it's okay.
Hey, get in.
Okay.
If you're not watching your children, someone else may be.